everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to join limbs to a crochet plushie. I'm going to be showing you how to join two different kind of pieces. One where the limb is crocheted shut, and then I'll also be showing you how to join something that hasn't been crocheted shut. And it'll all make a lot more sense in a second when I walk you through this, but I just want to let you all know that I am currently crocheting Bailey the Unicorn, which is my own pattern. She's currently only available in my coffee shop as a written pattern, and that will be linked in the description for anyone interested. We're going to start with the head, and we're going to be joining the ears. To join the ears, we're going to be crocheting through 2 layers of the ear. So for the ears, we're just folding them in half and crocheting through both sides, and the next layer of the head. In order to do this, we take our ear and we put it against the head, wherever your limb is going to be facing. So in this case, it's going to be sitting like this. So I'm just going to put it right here up against the other stitches. And what we're going to do is we're going to insert our hook between the 2 layers of the ear, just like that, and into the next stitch of the head. This can be a little bit difficult, especially depending on your yarn type and everything, but I find that this makes the seam a little bit thicker so that it doesn't flop around too much. If I were to have crocheted the ear shut and just work through 1 layer each, it would be a little bit more on the floppy side. Once you get your hook through all those layers, you're going to yarn over and pull through all of those layers. And then we're going to finish our single crochet by yarning over and pulling through 2. Now you're just going to repeat this in the next stitch. So go through both layers of the ear and the next stitch of the head. Yarn over, pull through all those layers, yarn over, and pull through those last 2 layers. I'm going to repeat this 2 more times to finish the ear. And here's what the ear looks like once it's joined on. As you can see, it sits pretty nicely once you pull it up. And I highly recommend, if you want to check out my other crochet foundations on reinforcing limbs, to go ahead and reinforce these ears in that way. I don't want to repeat it in this video in case you've already seen that video, but essentially what it does is it makes the ear sit quite nicely. But that is how you join the ear. So if you're crocheting through 3 layers, let me show you how I join the limb when crocheting through just 2 layers. So here I have the base of the body and the bottom legs that I'm going to be joining on. And the way I do this is a little bit easier than the ears because we're just going through 1 layer to 1 layer. I forgot to mention when I originally recorded this, but you want to make sure when you're joining the limbs that the front side of the limb is facing you and the back side of the limb is touching the body or the head, whatever it is you're going to end up crocheting your limb onto. You want the stitches that match the rest of the plushie to be facing outward. That way the wrong side is kind of hidden, because here you can kind of tell where the wrong side is a little bit different than the rest of the stitches right here at the base. Hopefully that makes sense. So you're going to put your hook right through that first stitch on the leg and through the next stitch of the body. Yarn over, pull through both those layers, yarn over, and finish your single crochet. And then you're just going to go ahead and repeat this all the way down. Ensure that you're doing 1 stitch to 1 stitch depending on your yarn type or texture or color. You might have a hard time seeing the stitches. What I like to do is go through the leg and then I'll pull it away and go through the next stitch of the body. That way I can clearly see what stitch I'm going into. I'm going to bring this loose end into the body and then crochet twice. And that is how you join a limb. And again, use the method to reinforce the leg. Highly recommend. This is a pretty thin join, so reinforcing it just makes it a little bit more secure. But that is how I join limbs, and this video was pretty short, so hopefully I explained things well. You can use this technique on any plushie you make, any pattern you make, where you have to sew the limbs on horizontally with the stitches, and you can just join these pieces on as you work, adjust the placement as you crochet them on. Honestly, I just really like this technique in general because it saves time sewing. This was a quick crochet foundations. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching watching all the way to the end. If you have any questions about this technique, definitely let me know in the comments below and I'll try and answer them. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which will be a market vlog, so keep an eye out for that. And I'll see you then. Bye!